Hey guys, it's been about 24 hours since we've been dealing with these connectivity issues, and this warrants me to drop a video to get you guys up to speed on the status and what's going on. So, for those of you that are non-technical, I know all you want to know is number one, are my funds safe? 100%. Your Bitcoin is safe, nothing's going on with it. All of the servers are operating as normal. All of the nodes are operating as normal. The issue pretty much lies in a connectivity problem between our front end websites like the high yield BTC and drip to BTC and the back end process. So nothing wrong with the code itself. It's just a connectivity issue that seems to be isolated in the country of Germany, where these front end websites are being hosted. Okay, so again, I'll get to the technical aspect later. Another thing you guys are concerned about is when can I have access to my wallet? What's going on? All right, so we are definitely working on that. But consider the DNS is almost like a small degree of the internet going down, right? If the DNS servers are not able to resolve the back end server with the front end servers, then it's like the internet is going down. There's nothing that we can do about that. It's beyond our area of control, just like the internet itself. However, what we are going to do if this issue continues to persist is we're going to migrate all of our front end websites off of the data center that's in Germany and put them on another location, jurisdiction that is not having these issues like Germany. And I'm going to break down for you guys that are technical exactly what's going on so that you know there's no fluff here. I'm sharing with you 100% with transparency what is happening. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the technical aspect. And I will start just for you guys that are kind of want to know what's going on, how the system is set up. We have the front end interfaces here. They connect to the back end software, and the back end software connects to the node. So there's constant communication between all of these for security features, and there's security features at each level. Okay. Now, when communicating from the front end to the back end, the reason we're not able to access our wallets is because the front end needs to be able to talk to the back end. Well, the back end can't receive queries from the front end because of what's going on in Germany. Again, this is outside of our control, guys. And let me go ahead and show that to you now. But understand, if someone sends you some Bitcoin now to one of your Bitcoin addresses, will it arrive? Yes, it will arrive 100% into the nodes. The nodes will communicate that to the backend servers, and it will log that Bitcoin into your wallet as normal. So everything, absolutely everything, is running as normal outside of the connectivity issue, which is out of our control. But we are going to do some things to circumvent this. All right. So with that said, I want to show you guys that this is 100% what the deal is. So here's the high yield BTC domain, and you guys will notice that it is based out of Germany. So this IP address that it's located from, all of this is public information. Um, and you'll see that it's coming out of Frankfurt, Germany. That's where the service for these front end sites reside. Okay. Now, let's focus in on what's going on in Germany. So I did some screenshots here, and this dnswatch.info. Okay, this is specific to what's going on in Germany. All right. So sometimes when you run this DNS watch, it works, right? So if you look here, I put in the information to our backend server here. Of course, I blotted that out because for security purposes, I don't want anyone knowing what our backend is and or how to connect to it. So I blacked that out. However, we'll see that when accessing out of Germany in this particular query, it came back running fine. However, for the most part, it's coming back using the same thing. It's coming back with an error. So again, guys, this is not within our area of control. It's saying that the name servers are not responding, but we know that they are. And here's yet another tool that you can use. This one here, or any other name server check, DNS checker, or whatever the case is, and you'll know see consistently that connections are just fine. So this is outside of Germany, and constantly they are connecting with no issues whatsoever. Okay, so ultimately we have identified the root of the problem going on in Germany, and let me show you some correspondence that I've had with some of the other tech teams. So I've been talking to two groups or two teams because I have one hosting provider in one location, one hosting provider in Germany. Okay, so here's the one that manages the back end server, and they say we have a bunch. We see that there are a bunch of peers were down in Frankfurt. There's probably connectivity issues there. That's why you're seeing ping issues. And ultimately, man, guys, it's taken a long time to get to this period because you guys that are technical and do development work, you know that in order to find a problem, a lot of times we have to find what doesn't work or what is not the problem before we find what the problem is. So right now, at least we know what the problem is. Okay. So I've sent them some work to do. So they actually, you can't just talk to their support. They have to get their network department involved. So I'm waiting on feedback from them regarding the inquiry I have from them. But at this stage, there's nothing really that needs to be done for our backend server. All of the DNS records are set up properly, the server is running properly, and everything is just fine there. Okay, so here, following that is my conversation with the team that are managing the front end, the high yield BTC, drip to BTC, etc. So they say here they've run some MTR tests and they show the results here. So this suggests that there is a connectivity issue from the servers directly that are running the sites. But because, I'm like, hey, something's going on in Germany because I can access test scripts from other locations, but not from Germany, right? So he actually did run some test scripts from other servers that are located in Germany outside of the server where our front end sites are hosted, and he has the same issue. So these are two independent conversations, guys. I am only the middleman here. We're not talking all together. So I'm corresponding with the back end team. I'm corresponding independently with the front end team. And this is the assessment at this point. So he's saying there are some connectivity issues that does not look related to your server, which I agree with. And he gave an example here. With that in mind, is it possible that there are some restrictions applied to other hosts to servers located in Frankfurt or in Germany in general? And I highly doubt that this is the case, guys. Our IP addresses have been whitelisted, and I don't see how that could be happening. So again, this right here is the issue which we cannot control. Okay, let's see if there's any other. Is that everything I need to share here? I think there is. Yeah. So that kind of shows where we are right now. Now, within the next hour or so, I'm still waiting on feedback from both of the teams. And as soon as I get some information back from them, that'll give me 100% certainty on which way we're going to go. But if the people in Germany don't get their name servers up and running as they should, then we are going to have to find another data center to host our front end sites so that they can communicate with our back end sites. Okay. So I just wanted to drop this video for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, go ahead and drop them in the comments. Also, I have looked into using Cloudflare, but that's not a possibility for you guys that are thinking about that, because we are using the SSE connectivity to post updates during in the wallet and things like that. So that doesn't work with Cloudflare. They have some issues. So when I looked into Cloudflare, they do not support that effectively. So if we need the wallets to operate the way they operate, we can't use Cloudflare for that. So we're stuck with using our own DNS servers here. All right. So I think that pretty much covers everything. I've also tried accessing the API, the backend software, using just the IP address, and that doesn't work either. So it's not just about Germany's DNS converting the name to the IP address. They are blocking IP addresses altogether. So even if I was to specify, instead of using the domain name to connect to the backend service, if I specified the IP address here, it still is not resolving to our backend server. So there's something that's going on in the middle, or with Germany, that just is not accepting connections to this server. All right, that's all I got for you. Got any questions, again, leave them, and I'll keep you guys posted as the day progresses. All right, we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.